So today we are going to learn about GSM module. So here we can see a small chip which is known as GSM module. So this might be looking a too small chip. So but it works very much better than what we think. So what is GSM module? Imagine your phone can talk to another phone by making a call or sending a text message. So, GSM module is a small device that will give the same superpower to the Arduino or any electronic project we are using. So it can actually make calls or receive phone calls and send SMS or receive the SMS. But all it needs is a SIM card to be inserted in it, and it will act just like our mobile phone. For example, if we want to send any message to any of our friend or family or anything, we can use this GSM module, and with Arduino we can make a small phone out of it. So what are the parts of this might be looking a little bit crowded, but it is very much easy to understand. So here the black stick kind of thing here is actually the antenna. It helps the GSM module to connect to the mobile network, just like our phone catches network from the tower, but this module will be catching the network from the mobile phone. And here there is a chip kind of thing which is written as sim and 800A. So this chip actually is it controls calling, messaging and communication with the mobile network. So you can say this is the main actuator of this GSM module. And we have two power jacks here which is used to insert the power to our GSM module. And you might be thinking, what is this golden part here? So this antenna will be screwed up on this golden part here, which will give the power to the receiving power or transmitting power to the GSM module. And we have three voltage regulators and capacitors. So this here we can see that C1, C2, C3, and this is a C1. So this is nothing but the capacitors. So these are the capacitors which we are using to manage the flow of current in the GSM module. And here we have a small clock which is used to detect the timings and everything. So here we can use these pins are used to receive and transmit the signals to the Arduino, and which the same will be transmitting to the mobile phone. And the main pins here is actually here. When we here to the GSM module, we got to give the 12 volts of the current, because this needs a lot of current to be used. So 12 volts battery will be connected to the positive, and the ground will be connected to the negative of the 12 volts battery. And the black chip here is actually the brain which controls every thing on this module, and it has a reset button in case when there is any trouble we got to reset the module, then that will be doing the troubleshooting. And the same way this will be receiving and the transmitting the signals. So when we turn back, here we can insert the SIM card to this GSM module. And the blue chip all over is a PCB, which is printed circuit board. And we can think of it like, the antenna is the ears that can hear the mobile signals, and SIM card here is the identity, like the mobile number, or email or anything, just like the identity. So the sim 800A is the brain of this this GSM module. And transmitting and receiving pins are like talk and listen for this GSM module. So LED lights here are the indicators that this module is working, or it is powered on, and like that. So reset button, we know that it is used to reset when there is any trouble in the GSM module. So like that, now we understood how the GSM module is built and how exactly the GSM module will be working. So where now we might be thinking, where are we using this? So we can use it in home security alarms. If someone enters the home, Arduino tells the GSM module to send the signal, so that the same signal, the same alert will be receiving from our phone. Like we will get a text message or a call that someone has entered the home. Or we can use it in farming and fire alarm, or vehicle tracking also. So simple example, we can say that, imagine we are out of our home, and no one is at home. So when someone enters the home, the sensor detects and send the signal to the Arduino, and Arduino will be sending the same to the GSM module. And now the GSM module will send a text message or a call to our phone by saying that alert, someone open the door, and we will receive that message and we will take the precautions. So this is how the GSM module will be working exactly. So now we learned everything about GSM module. So that's it for now. See you in the next video, Robot Builders.